Hey everyone, this is Bhargav Suthar. Today we are going to start with a new chapter, Propositional Logic. And today we will discuss these topics, propositions, conjunction, and disjunction. Now first, let us discuss what is logic. It is an analysis of language which consists of signs. Logic is a set of rules or axioms which we can use to draw valid conclusions. Now, what is statements or propositions? Statements are kinds of sentences which we have to use to convey our thoughts to others. A sentence of which it is meaningful to say whether it is true or false, but not both, is called a statement or proposition. That means it has to be either true or false, but it cannot be both. Now, a statement is a declarative sentence which is either true or false, but not both. Now, we denote statements by generally small pqrs. Now, let us take examples. Now, Pune is the capital of India. Is it a statement or not? Now, Pune is the capital of India. Yes, it is a statement, but it can be true or false, but it cannot be both. Pune is the capital of India. It is a statement, but it is a false statement. Second one, Mars is a planet. Yes, it is a statement and it is a true statement. Third one, 9 is greater than 13. Now, first see all these examples and then we'll discuss. Y plus 8 equals to 12. 6 belongs to 1, 2, 3, 4. X belongs to A. There are 12 months in a year. When you do exam, the statement is false. Oh, what a beautiful painting. Now, first, let us discuss what are the true statements. Pune is the capital of India. No, it is a false statement. Mars is a planet. Yes, it is true statement. 9 is greater than 13. It is false. Fourth one, we will discuss later. Fourth, fifth, sixth. No, fifth is false. Seventh, there are 12 months in a year. Yeah, it is true. When is your exam? This three we will discuss later. Now, first, here, second and seventh are true statements. Yes, Mars is a planet, and seventh, there are 12 months in a year. So these both are true statements. Now, first, third, and fifth. Yeah, first we already discussed it is false statement. Third, we already discussed it is false statement. And fifth one, it is also a false statement because 6 does not belong to the given set. Now consider fourth equation, y plus 8 equals to 12. It is not true as well it is not false because we don't know what is y. So whenever we put y equals to 4, then it will become a statement and true statement. And if we put y as something else or different than 4, then it is a false statement. But right now it is not a statement. Now consider sixth. Here x belongs to A. We cannot say whether it is true or false unless we are told what are the elements of A. We don't know what are the elements of A, so we cannot say that X belongs to A or not. So it is also not true, not false, but it is not a statement. Now 8th and 9th, when is your exam? And 10th one, what a beautiful painting. So 8th one is a question mark, so it is not a statement. And what a beautiful painting. It is an exclamation which is also not a statement because we cannot justify whether it is true or not. Now, what is open statement? An open statement is a statement that contains one or more variables such that when certain values are substituted for the variables, we get statements. Let us discuss examples. X plus 7 equals to 9. Now, whenever we put x equals to something, then it will become a statement. Okay. So right now it is not a statement. Okay. So whenever we put something value, we will get statement, and that statement is called an open statement. So x plus 7 equals to 9. 3x plus 2 greater than a. Yes, again, it is an open statement. X belongs to a. Yes, it is an open statement. Let us discuss some more examples. Which of the following statements are true and which are false? First one. Let us discuss all the examples and then we will conclude whether they are false or true. 9 less than 12. Second one. 2 is a prime number. Third one. 41 is a composite number. And fourth one. Okay, now first one. 9 is less than 12. So it is a statement. It is the true one. So it is the true statement. Now 2 is a prime number. Is it? 2 is a prime number. Yes, we know that it is the smallest even prime number. So it is a true statement. 41 is a composite number. No, 41 is not a composite number. It is a statement, but it is the false one. 2 plus 5 equals to 3 plus 9. 2 plus 5 is 7 and 9 plus 3. So they cannot match. So now it is also a false statement. Another question. What type of sentence is x plus 8 equals to 17? We all know it is an open statement. So the answer is simply open statement. Question. Which of the following open statements are true? X plus 4 equals 6 when x equals to 2. X plus 4 not equals to 6 when x equals to 2. 2x plus 4y equals to 14 when x equals to 1, y equals to 3. 6 belongs to 4 to x here whenever x is 6. The first one, x plus 4 equals to 6 when x equals to 2. So we all know these are all open statements. Now we want to find whether they are true or not. If we put x equals to 2 here, then it will become 2 plus 4 equals to 6. And yes, it is correct. 6 equals to 6. So it is true. First one is true. Now second one. I think it is the negation one. X equals to 2. So here 2 plus 4, that is not equals to 6. 6 does not equal to 6. That is wrong one. Now 2x plus 4y equals to 14 when x equals to 1, y equals to 3. If we put x equals to 1, so that will become 2 plus 4 into 3, that is 12. 12 plus 2 14. Yes, it is right. So it is the true one. And the last one, 6 belongs to 4 to x whenever x is 6. Yes, 6 belongs to 6. So it is also the correct one. Now, new topic, logical connectives. What is logical connectives? If there exist two or more statements, then they can be combined to produce a new statement. These statements are called compound statements. The logical connectives are used to combine statements. And the first logical connective is conjunction, and it is denoted as like this, cap or, and it is also and, conjunction or and. Now, when two or more statements are combined by the word and, then the compound statement is known as conjunction. If P and Q are two statements, then the compound statement, it is denoted by P, this cap, Q. And it is also says like this, P conjunction Q or P and Q or P meet Q. These all are the alternatives, P conjunction Q or P and Q or P meet Q. For example, consider the first statement, 3 greater than 2, 10 is an even number, then what will be the conjunction? It means P and Q. So just we need to simply add and in between these two statements. Now 3 greater than 2 and 10 is an even number. Second one, Meet likes cricket. Q. Rohan is in 10th standard. Then what will be the P conjunction Q? Meet likes cricket and Rohan is in 10th standard. So here it is not necessary that both the statements has to be of same nature or of same property. They can be different, but it has to be statements. So here, see, Meet likes cricket and Rohan is in 10th standard. So both are of different a person, but still we can combine them. Note, now but and why are also treated as and. So whenever you see but and why, it also considered as and. Now P and Q is true only when both are true. That means whenever both statements are true, it is true. Otherwise, it is false. So this one is important. Let us discuss truth table. So we take two statements P, Q, and the conjunction P and Q. See, for two statements, there will be four possibilities. Either both the statements are true, both the statements are false. And the third one, first one is true, second one is false, first one is false, and second one is true. Now consider this property. P conjunction Q is true only when both are true. So here both are true. So that means P conjunction Q is true. Now this both are not true. So it is false. Here also it is false. So false. Both are false. So it is false. Now let us discuss what is disjunction or. When two or more statements are combined by the word or, then the compound statement is known as disjunction. For example, let us take two statements P and Q. So if P and Q are two statements, then the compound statement is denoted by the symbol P or Q, like this. Now, these are similar statements P disjunction Q or P or Q or P join Q. These all are similar. P disjunction Q or P or Q or P join Q. For example, consider P. I will purchase a dress. Q. I will purchase a book. Then, if we want to combine it via a word or, then its symbol is P or Q like this, and the statement will be I will purchase a dress or I will purchase a book. Or simply, we can write like this I will purchase a dress or a book. The simplest. Second one, Meet likes cricket. Q. Meet likes soccer. Then P or Q. Meet likes cricket or soccer. Easy. Note. P or Q is true if either P is true or Q is true or both are true. P or Q is false if both are false. Let us discuss truth table. These both are important. Now what we need P, Q and P or Q. So again there will be four possibilities. Either both are true, either both are false, or one is true, second one is false, and first one is false, and second one is true. Now, P or Q is true whenever either P is true or Q is true or both are true. So here, in first case, both are true, so P or Q will be true. Here, uh, at least one is true, so here it is true. Here also it is at least one is true, so it is true. But here both are false, so P or Q will be false. Thank you.